Let us now proceed to lesson number 4. Okay. First, we have the alphabet review. We have here S, O, A, E, H, I-N-G, R, T, P, M, D, L, S or Z, B as in boy, and B as in victory. We have N, we have F, and then long I. Number 2 on lesson number 4, we have letter U. Okay, as in U. It is a double O. Okay, ang sound na yan ay galing sa word na to. Okay, no? As in to, do, who, food, okay, suit, room, pour, through, produce, new, noon, and move. Okay, so U is written as a pabaliktad na O, no? Yung pabaliktad na O, ganyan siya. Ang O natin, yung ganito. Yan yung O. Just O lang, yung isang O lang yan, ha? Ang U natin, yung dalawang O, pag pronounce, pabaliktad naman. Okay po, that is U. So, sample pa tayo. Do. Okay. We have D, and then U. Okay, D, ito yung D. And then, ito si U. Okay. Again po, tatandaan nyo sa steno, ang pronunciation po ang sinusulat natin. Hindi yung pinaka-spelling niya in English. For example, true. Ang spelling niya dito, U tapos E. Pero kapag pronounce natin siya, meron lang tayong T, R, and then U sa steno. So, ang pronunciation niya is true. Diba? True. U pa rin yung dulo. So, sa steno, ang susulat lang natin ay T, R, and U. Okay, again. T, R, and U. Ito si T. Ito si R. And then, ito si U. Okay? So, sample pa. Suit. Okay? It sounds like U. Diba? Suit. Yan. Suit. Sa steno, we have S, U, and then T. Okay? So, it is S, U, and T. Okay? Again. S, U, and T. Yan. Kita nyo po, S, U, and T. Another example. We have produce. Produce. Okay? Pronounce natin dyan. Sa steno, we have P, R, O, D, U, and then S. So, ganyan natin siya isusulat sa steno. We have P, R, O, D, U, S. Again. P, R, O, D, U, S. Okay, this is P. This is R. This is O. This is D. And then this is U. And we have S. Produce. Okay. So, next tayo. Okay. May note dyan nakalagay. Observe that the U is placed on its side when it follows N or M. As in new. Yung sample dyan na new. Okay. Ganito siya isulat. N, U. No, ito si N. And then, ito si U. Another nyan, si nun. N, U, N. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, kapag forward tayo, yung N tsaka M, si U, nagiging forward din. Hindi siya ganito. No? Hindi nyo siya ganyan isusulat. Hindi ganyan, tapos gaganon mo, tapos diretso ka ulit. So, ini-smooth natin ang pagsulat. So, magiging N-U-N. Okay po. So, ito si U. Ayan si U. Hindi po siya pag ganito. Okay. So, next tayo, we have W and SW. So, ang W natin dito, ang pagsulat natin is same as U. Okay? Same kay U. Paano po yun? So, ang W is same siya kay U. Example, we have we. Okay? We have U and then E. Okay? U and then E. U and then E. Okay? That's how you write it po. U and E. Ito yung W, which is si U. Okay? And then ito si E. Okay? Another, si Way. Way. Ganun din, pero mas malaki yung bilog. Okay? Mas malaki yung bilog natin. Si U, tapos si letter A. Another, weight. So, we have weight. We have U, W, A, and T. So, another example. Si, wife. Okay, wife. We have W, long I, and then F. Okay. Again, have W, long I, and then F. Okay. Another example. Sweet. Ito, si SW naman. Si SW, lalagyan na natin syempre ng S, and then lalagyan mo ng W, which is si U. So, ganito siya isusulat, no? Si SW, S, and then W. So, kapag sulat natin kay sweet, magiging ganito siya. S-W-E-T. Okay? S-W-E-T. Okay? And dito si S, si W, si E, at si T. Okay? We have another. Si S-W, si sway. S, W, and A. Okay? Ito si S. Ito si W. And then, ito si A. Okay? Sway. Another example is swear. Okay? We have S, W, A, R. Okay? Again, S, W, A, R. Okay. S-W-A-R. Okay po. So, next sa lesson number 4, si W and then H. Okay? As in yung Y, while. Okay? Ang W pa rin at H natin dito is represented pa rin kay U. Okay? Si U pa rin. Same pa rin tayo dyan. So, sample, Y. Y natin is just U and then long I. Okay? U and then long I. U and then long I. That is Y. Another example, si while. While, W, long I, and then L. Okay, again. W, long I, and then L. That is while. Another is white. Okay, W-I-T. W-I-T. Okay, again, W-I-T. That is white. Okay, next tayo. Meron tayo dito mga useful phrases. Okay, we have we are. Okay, so ito si we. Diba si we natin ang ginagamit, si U, tsaka si E. Okay, so pagsasamahin natin siya sa ating brief form na R. So we have here U, E, and then R. Okay, brief form to ha. Diba ang brief form natin? Meron tayong katumbas si R na R, our, and then R. Okay, so ayan yung katumbas ng brief form na R. Kaya, kapag sa useful phrases natin, we have we are, magkadikit na siya. Another is we will. we will, same lang, we have we, and then L. We, and then L. Okay. Again, we, and then L. So, we have here, we have. Yan, we have. We, and then have. Diba? We have. We have. Okay, and then next, we may. We may. We may. Okay, again. We may. Okay, so another. We may. Okay, we have we. And we have may. Hindi to brief form, ha? Hindi to brief form kasi we have M, then we have A. Okay, and then, who are? Who are? Who, ang gagamitin lang natin dyan, is H. Okay? H po, yung who, ha? Kasi hindi naman siya pinopronounce ng yung W, diba? Unlike Y, no? Pag Y, yung word na Y, pronounce natin is Y. Napapronounce si U. Y. But, while who, hindi siya napopronounce, si H lang yung napopronounce at saka si O. So, ang who natin, we have H, okay, H, and then O. Si U yan, si U. We have H, and then U. Okay? So, pag pinagsama natin siya, who are, we have H, O, R. Okay? Again, we have H, O, R. That is who are. So, who will naman? Who will? Who will? We have H, O, L. Okay? Again, H, O, L. So, next dito, si who will not. Who will not. So, dadagdagan lang natin yung brief form natin. Diba? We have si who, H, O, L, and then not. Again. H, O, L, then not. Okay, again. H, O, L, then not. Ito si who, will, and then not. Okay, brief forms to, ha. Brief form yan. Kaya isang letter na lang ginagamit. And then, I do. I do. Yung I, may brief form tayo kay I, diba? So, we have I, and then do. Okay? Again, we have I, and then do. Ito si I, na brief form. Tas ito, yung letter D. Tas ito, yung letter O. Or letter U. Kasi do. Diba? Do yung pronunciation natin. Hindi naman do. Or yung do, kapag yung do na ganito. So, babaliktad to, magiging paganon. No? This is do. Okay? Ang do, ito. Do na D-O, pag ganito. Okay po. So, next tayo. Next letters na. Alphabet natin. Number 6 na tayo. Kay lesson number 4, we have K, and then G. Okay? G to, ha. Itong G na to, G. That is letter G. Kaya po siya G, kasi yan ang pronunciation natin ng G sa steno. So, ang pronounce dyan is G. Okay? Like, game. Okay? Game. Mahaba siya kasi baka mapagkamalan nyo minsan yan na letter J. Kasi may pronunciation tayo sa steno na ang pronounce niya is sound ng J pero letter G pala yung ginagamit. Okay? So, sample tayo. Okay, letter K muna. K. Okay, ang K natin ay pabaliktad na R. Mas maikse. That is K. While yung G or yung letter G ay mas mahaba. Parang kabaliktaran ni letter L. Okay? Baliktad ni letter L. So, sample tayo. Okay, K, we have take. Take, we have T-A-K. T-A-K. Okay? Another, we have cake. So, itong cake, no, spelling niya C, pero ang pronounce natin is letter K. Kaya, K din po ang gagamitin natin dito kasi K ang pronunciation niya. So, we have cake. Okay? Cake. We have K. K. We have A. And then, we have another K. That is cake. Another example, we have cool. Okay? Cool. Oh, diba? Letter C siya, pero ang pronunciation natin is letter K. So, we have K, then U, and then L. That is U, ha? U, hindi siya O. Hindi naman siya pronounce na call. Iba yung call, ganito siya sa English, call. Iba yan. Ang spelling niyan, kabaligtaran nito. We have C-U and then L. This is call. Okay? While cool is like this one. K-U-L. That is call. I mean cool. Okay? So, next tayo, we have gay. Gay or letter G. We have here gain. Have G-A-N. G-A-N. Okay. Gain. Another, we have game. Okay. We have game. Okay. Have G-A-M. Mas mahaba. G-A-M. That is game. Another example, we have great. Great. Okay, we have G-R-A-T. Okay, again. We have G-R-A-T. Okay, great. Another example is gleam. Ito, medyo mahaba to kasi we have G, we have L, and then we have M. Puro mahaba. So, it is G-L-E-M. Gleam. Okay, again. G-L-E-M. Gleam. Okay, so that is gay. So, next tayo. Sabi dito, observe that KR as in increase and GL as in legal are written with a smooth wave-like motion. So, si increase, yung R, yung K tsaka R, is smooth lang siya sinusulat. Parang wave lang. Okay? Like this one. In, then, K-R-E-S. Ito, smooth lang siya na wave. Okay? In, K-R-E-S. In, K-R-E-S. Okay? Basta dapat makikita yung pagka-wave nito para ma-identify si K at saka si R. Okay? So, another yung kay si legal. Legal. We have L, E, G, L. So, ang smooth niya lang. Para lang siyang alon. Okay? L, E, G, L. Okay? That is legal. Okay? Tapos, sabi dito, but KL as in claim and GR as in great are written with a hump between the K and the G and the R. Okay? So, we have sample C, claim. Okay? Yung sinasabi dito, dapat ito si K, tapos si L, then AM. Okay? Meron siya ditong tinatawag na hump. Okay? May hump. Ganito, ito yung hump, then L-A-M. Nakita nyo po? As in, ito si K, may hump, tapos L-A-M. Diba? Ito yung hump niya. Hindi siya mukhang wave lang, unlike kanina. Okay? Tapos tinan mo si great. Sample din natin si great. We have G, R, A, T. Okay? Ito yung hump niya. Oh. Ayan yung pinaka-hump. Unlike kay increase. Si increase in K-R-E-S. Diba? Ayun, wave motion lang siya. Kay great, meron tayong hump. G-R-A-T. Ayan, nakita niyo yung difference niya. Ito, pa ganon, pa hump shot. While this one, paalon, na smooth lang. Okay, so that is lesson number 4.